Hi, second grade. I wanted to go over and give you instructions for Monday's word study assignment. This is the assignment that you guys will complete after you watch the Khan Academy video, which will be linked into the slides. So you will have this will be linked into your Google Classroom feed. This won't be in the slides, so you'll have to go to your Google Classroom feed and find the subject and predicate assignment that will be linked in. It is a presentation. There are just 3 slides for this assignment, and you'll have your own copy because you're going to have to turn it in. But for this assignment, you do not have to put it in present mode. I don't think it will work if you put it in present mode. The first slide, and so you'll know more about what a subject and predicate is after you watch the video, but this is the first slide. So what you're going to have to do here is you've got 2 options here. What is a subject and what is a predicate? And so you're going to click these and drag them to the correct spot on the chart. So if it's a subject in a sentence, then you'll drag it here. If it describes a predicate in this sentence, then you're going to move and drag it here. So that's what you'll do here for this slide. Once you're done with this slide, you'll go to the second slide, and this is where you're going to be sorting. So you've got 6 sentences down here, and in each sentence, there's a portion underlined. And so you're going to sort it by whether what's underlined in the sentence is a predicate or a subject. So for example, this first one, it says Kelly is driving in the car. The word Kelly is underlined. And so what you'll do is you'll decide, is Kelly the subject of the sentence or the predicate of the sentence? If you think it's the subject, you'll drag it here. If you think Kelly, which is underlined, is the predicate in the sentence, then you'll drag it here. And so you'll do that for each sentence. You'll read the sentence, look at what's underlined, decide if that's the subject of the sentence or the predicate, and then drag it to the correct box. After you're done with this one, there's one more slide. So instead of sentences, this time you've got groups of words. And so it's taken out of the sentence. You're going to have to think a little bit harder. So you're going to read each item and think about how it would be used in a sentence. Would it be the subject of the sentence or a predicate? So for example, this one says danced happily. So you're going to have to think about, is that group of words a subject of a sentence? If you think it would be the subject of a sentence, then you drag it here. If you think danced happily would be a group of words that are the predicate in the sentence, then you'll drag it here. And that will be it for your word study assignment for today. Once you're done sorting everything, you're going to, and you can't see it on my screen, but you'll have to go up to this area on your screen to turn it in so your teacher can check your work. As always, if you have any questions or are struggling with anything, please dojo your teacher, send a message to your teacher on GoGuardian. We are more than happy to help. So just please let us know. I hope this helped a little bit, and you'll know what you need to do. And look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye, guys.